Amy Marcos on Marcos Jr. I know that he was using drugs. So ito yung statement niya dito. Sabi naman dito, Marcos Sr. Ano sabi ni Senator ni Marcos before? Ni Apolacay. Oh. Marcos Sr. on Amy Marcos. According to this detail in Raymond Bonner's Waltzing with Dictator, her father thought she was mixed up with drugs. Ikaw pala eh. Ikaw pala eh. Oh. Sabi ni Raymond Bonner's Waltzing with the Dictator. Her father thought she was mixed up in drugs. Amy, who had attended a Catholic high school in Monterey, California, enrolled at Princeton in 1973, generating a minor controversy about the presence of gun-toting security guards on campus. Though her record was satisfactory, she was never graduated, and her father thought she got mixed up in drugs. He pulled an American diplomat aside once after an early morning swim and confided, "I'm not sure this Princeton is good for her." Imelda Marcos didn't care for Princeton's either, claiming that Amy was surrounded by faggots there, while at Princeton, Amy lived on 13.5-acre estate purchased by a company registered in the British Virgin Islands, which had not listed officers or owner, but which was in fact owned by the Marcoses. Ikaw ang talagang literal na spoiled brat. No? Against dun sa pinapalabas mo, dun sa MIM.